Hello ladies and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. So I am experimenting, because I love to experiment and try new things, with a part of Nordstrom called the Trunk Club. So if you're like me, you're a very busy woman, you are out conquering the world, and I have very little time to shop for me. Okay, I shop for other people for photo shoots, but I don't always shop for me. And wouldn't it be amazing to have someone shop for you and send you stuff and you can pick and all that? Well, that's what Nordstrom Trunk Club is. So I thought I'd give it a shot and just see if I liked it. Because I'm a professional stylist and makeup artist, I find sometimes they don't really understand what I'm talking about, even though I try to be really clear. So I thought, well, I wonder how good these people are. So I tried it, okay? I went online to the Trunk Club, and I'm gonna put down below a little link for you so that you can click and go have a look yourself. And I just talked to this woman through messaging and told her exactly what I liked and I didn't like. I really am very clear with what I like and don't like. But even with some of the things that maybe I was a little bit more vague, she asked me specific questions. She really knew what she was doing, which I was very pleased with. Her name is Carson, the woman that helped me. And then she sent me the trunk of items, and I believe there's probably 8 items in here. I'm not for sure. We're going to open it together. We're going to see. Because honestly, I have not opened the items, so I think it's kind of a fun thing. I just want to show you what that looks like. But anyway, this is how it came. Oh, to me, it was like this, in this big, huge box. So I don't know about you, but I love getting things in the mail. I do a ton of online ordering, and those are my dogs barking. But I wish they would stop. But anyway. Okay, that's enough. So I loved it. I got it in the mail. I'm ready to open it. I'm ready to try things on. So are you with me? Let's do it. Okay, we're at the box. I'm going to open it. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. So it goes like that. Opens down. I'm so excited right now. Okay, so this is one of the first things here. Look how nicely this is all wrapped. So looks like this is a necklace here that I ordered. And then we've got a dress, a couple dresses, some pants, and a shirt. That's all there. This is a handbag. Ted Baker. I love Ted Baker so much. All right, and this is, it says, "We hope you made some room in your closet." I'm gonna have to do that. And here's some more dresses and pants. This is so cool. Okay, it looks like I have some shoes back here too. This was the main reason I wanted to talk to them, because I wanted some Mary Janes. So she sent me some shoes. Ooh, those are cute. Really cute. Those are mules, I think. And then she sent me these. Fisher. Okay. Wow. Those are nice. Those are very wearable. So I'm excited to try these on. I have a thing for Mary Janes. I really like the strap across the top. I like the whimsy of them. So these are great. Okay, I'm going to try some of these on, and then I'm going to show you which ones I liked, okay? Yay! Okay, so I've tried on about 8 different items that I found in the trunk that Carson sent to me, and I'm super happy. This is the outfit that I love. So go ahead and pan down and just look at the whole outfit. I'm in love with this outfit. I think it's just So beautiful. So I'm going to go through what I liked and why. So this is a shirt by, the brand is Paige, Paige. And the reason I love this is I love this necktie. So I can wear this to the office, or I can wear it out with jeans. It's super, it's kind of got a little bit of a dressiness to it that I loved. Plus I love the fact that I can tuck in the front and I can leave the back a little bit out. I think that's really nice. I like the sleeves. It's got this cute little feature with a couple buttons here. Gathers a little bit, so it gives it a little bit more of a blousey feel, which I really, really like. It adds to kind of an elegant look. I love the color. I'm very into warm tones, so this is just great. Okay, the pants are by Wit and Wisdom. And one of the reasons I love this, I love the material. I love the fact that it goes up and down, which is very slimming. And on the side, you can see there's a faux zipper here. It doesn't really do anything, but it's very kind of edgy and cute looking. And we have double pockets too, which I think is just fantastic. Really cute. Makes my bootay look kind of smaller, which we're all going for that, right? So these are adorable. Okay, the third thing was the shoes. So I'm going to show you my shoes. Ooh, as I try not to fall over. So they have a bigger heel to them. These are actually Eileen Fisher. So I like the bigger heel, and of course, this is nice. It's Velcro. This is a nice Mary Jane. I like the color. I like the material, kind of a velour material. And not too high of a heel because I'm already super tall. I'm 5'10". So I'm always going for a little bit not as high of a heel. So really cute. I love this. I think Carson did an incredible job at the Trunk Club. I recommend it. Check it out. Go there. See what they have. Talk to somebody online at thetrunkclub.com. So I definitely encourage you to check it out.